Hi there, guys and gals. Good evening. How are you all doing? Done watching of The Amateur. Hold on. I'll just take a pee. This is a very good movie. I never thought, and I haven't thought. Sorry, it's not. I never thought. I haven't thought that the story goes this way. Hold on. So here it is, Amateur. It's really a. This is a surprise movie. Hold on. I'll just take a pee. By the way, guys and gals, before I start, I just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother, Vigo Feabordo, and Helen Carreto of San Roque, Legazpi City, my childhood friend. Also, to all my silent subscribers, to all my Facebook viewers, to all my to all those viewers who always watch my videos. Thank you so much for the love and support that you give on my channel. Just 1 second. Please don't make some fast forward, okay? I just do this quick. Hold on. Okay, let's proceed. You know what? At first, I thought this is an action pack, but it's not. I like the story because it's a fast-paced and they shot in different places like United Kingdom, France, and Turkey. And there's another one. I forgot. Sorry. It's and then it's really awesome because I'm expecting from the first that there are lots of action scenes, lots of fighting scenes, lots of chasings, but it's not. But the story is very good, and it's really a heart pounding because every scenes that they made, you will think that there will be a highlight for every moment that they made, but it's really a highlight because of the dialogues they throw each other, and this it's also there's lots of surprise element, especially with Lawrence Fishburne. Just for you to know, Lawrence Fishburne is very famous in The Matrix, and he I love this character. I love his character because he's a CIA, and then I'm thinking, as the story goes, that there will be a how do you call this thing? A blackmailing and being set up, but I'm not gonna divulge, guys and guys. It's for you. It's all for you to decide if you're gonna watch this movie. But this is a recommendable one. And then once that there's a action scenes, it's really a awesome. Never think that this is a kind of a John Wick or a Mission Impossible one or a any total action pack that you are thinking from the start from the finish from start to finish. But the story really tells how will the characters made up their roles just for us to give us a total entertainment. And what's this? I forgot the one that I'm gonna say. I love the shots, the aerial shots, and different kind of what's this? Sorry, sequencing. And there's a moral lessons because for you to make an avenge or revenge to a person, it's not necessarily or totally that you will put dirt on your hand and your principles in life will be throw. No, it's not that. But there are lots of killings here, and there are car chase, and you know what made this story more being a total entertainment is because aside from the story, the way how they make their roles be more realistic. So it's really such a very good movie for this one, and if I were you guys, have time to watch for this. And what else? It's really awesome.